driven day one. Our transport for this weekend, because the car will be in the show, so the LS will be our means of transportation.
Oh boy.
Low boy. Most important meal of the day, because we cannot survive without coffee. $1.46 for Supreme. Damn, it's starting to snow. Like, snow, really? Come on, man. It's May 3rd. Like, stop snowing. I don't know if I ate too much or it's just the new tires, but I'm rubbing like crazy in the back right now. Whatever's rubbing will wear itself away. Just stand stinks. So I found out what I was rubbing on that I was talking about while I was driving. There's a piece of metal inside the fender, and it's eating up my brand new tire. I'm about to beat the shit out of this fucking weld in here. Too much sauce, not enough boss. To do this last year for Driven Calgary?
Man, I think we did.
We're just getting lower, bro. Your boy will never rub again. All good to go, it shouldn't rub anymore. So we're gonna go ahead and head over to the Lowcals shop, see if they need any help at all setting up today. Colton's car looking fresh. Open up the booth. Hey, Mark. How's it going?
Yo, what's up, dude?
How's it going, man? Car's looking good?
Oh, thanks, man.
I saw your story, you didn't sleep very good last night.
I still haven't slept. Yeah, right
You're
now,
wild,
like,
bro.
Dead tired.
This is unreal.
Really, just as long yesterday.
Really clear. The hotel is like literally right
Inches.
next to the show. Like the show is probably like 100 feet down the street, so we can just walk to the show tomorrow. This hotel is like on the university's campus. This is basically an apartment. Let's check this out. What? Yo, it's literally like a dorm. Oh, this is home for the next 2 days. Sweet. We'll see you guys tomorrow for the show.
Bright and early.
So it's day 2 and it's snowing. Yo. How's it going?
Yeah, it's good. We're gonna be walking.
It's good, boys.
Yo, yo.
They got a little Elvis. Why do you give us so much?
Boys got the sim set up.
Coming race.
I gotta stay. Till I die. I gotta stay. Till I die.
is giving Andre ideas.
Yeah, dude.
Gotta get those lens covers, man. Robbie's looking at my car. So what's up? It's next day. We are going to another show today, which is the Lowcals Cookout. Go to this show. See what it's all about. Fortunately for us, it has stopped snowing and the roads are decently dry, so we'll get to go to that show and hopefully go home today. Hopefully it doesn't snow again. Lisa's hotel has sick underground parking, or sick covered parking. Ooh. Yeah, she don't like that very much. Also, I want to give a big shout out to Jay for hooking me up with some merch yesterday in Driven. The stuff is really quality. You can find them at Finesse brand, Finesse YYC. Super quality stuff, warm, comfortable. Most important meal of the day, you already know. So we made it to the show. This is gonna be a sick venue, man. Good to see you. Get your Korean Red Bull up in this. Man, I wouldn't drink that. I won't give you wings, that'll give you superpowers. Devin got a banner. Coast gang, Devin's gonna rep. Hey. Andre's first show with Alex. Yo, yo! What's up, boys? What up, what up? Yo, hit these guys up for any decals you guys need in Calgary. They're so nice. They like that.
I'll stop this.
Alright, we're out. Thanks for having us.
Thanks, man. Thanks for coming.
Thanks for a sick weekend. Yeah, we'll catch you guys soon, hopefully. Alright, dude, we're out. Thanks for having us. Thanks for a sick weekend, man.
Thank you so much for coming.
Yeah.
Guys, check out Ghost Gang. Follow this guy.
Hey.
Big ups to you, man.
Check out Infamous for all your aero needs. Like the sick diffuser.
I'll see you soon, Jonah.
Yeah, man. Hey, ran into some Edmonton homies. Other Jonah.
What's up, Jonah number 2?
This thing actually won an award in Calgary, Judge's Choice, which is cool. This thing is super unique, man. So sick. So,
I gotta go home, bro.
yeah, Driven was a success. This whole weekend in Calgary was awesome, and just want to say thank you for everybody who made it a great experience for us. All the Calgary homies, shout out to you guys. All around, really good weekend, and we're looking forward to the next Driven show. But now we're gonna take some downtime and get these cars looking pretty fresh. We got some wild stuff coming for the Eclipse, some new things coming for the LS. So if you made it this far, thanks so much for watching, and we will see you guys next time. Peace.
Blah. That's a wrap.